What's going on, guys? Back with another Clifford video. So today we're actually going to be doing a tune-up on the truck. So no, it's not got any issues running or anything like that, but at the same time it's getting close to that 200,000 mile mark, so it's going to be a good idea to just go ahead and replace some parts to ensure that it is running top notch and getting the best fuel economy that it can. With that being said, we also unfortunately got to go to the DMV and get this thing registered, which is hopefully not going to suck because it is the last day of the month. So yeah, that's probably not going to be fun, but we're going to get that knocked out. Then we'll head down to O'Reilly's, pick up everything that we're going to need for the tune-up, get back here, get it knocked out. It's so bizarre driving something with stock exhaust. It's also my first time driving it with the 12 wides because I just got insurance on it this morning and we're going to get it registered. Sorry about the wind noise. You know about the sunroof if you've been following the channel. We got to get that tackled, but so far it actually rides really good. Now, will we be able to turn in town and not rip our fenders off? Hopefully so. We'll see. All right, guys, I call this the art of the scrub. You got to swing it to the left, then yeet it to the right. Oh boy, not a single scrub at all. Let's see. Take a listen. All right, we're good. No one's coming. We're swinging it wide. Let's go. Oh, a little bit. Car's coming, a little bit. Oh, we're good. Oh, we're golden. We do gotta swing around and park, but we're in the parking lot. There comes a goofball swinging it in here wide. We're filming, just keeping it rolling. All right, dang, a fellow wide boy. Well, it never fails to be a mess at the DMV. But dang, look at that truck, y'all. Oh my gosh. So their systems are down. We're running tagless for a while. Go down to O'Reilly's and pick up all the crap we need. All right, we got everything from O'Reilly's. Just pick me up a little bit of grub. We're ready to get the day started, y'all. This truck looks freaking good. Look at the daggone lizard laid out, boy. There you go, Chomper and Larry. Looking slick out here, boys. Back at the farm, let's go ahead and check out what I got. Starting off with some engine degreaser. So 14 years old, 200,000 miles, and being a GM product, there's probably a good chance the rear main seal is leaking. There's oil underneath it. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up all that off the engine and transmission. That way we can start fresh, see what is and isn't leaking. We went with some Valvoline high mileage full synthetic. Run whatever oil you want. Doesn't matter to me, but I like the Valvoline products. I've had good luck with this high mileage full synthetic. And then we just grabbed a micro guard filter. It was just on sale, so went ahead and snagged it. And then we got spark plugs. So probably a good chance that these spark plugs that are in the truck has been in there for its whole life or a long time, right? Obviously we'll find out. There's a possibility maybe the previous owner threw some plugs in it, which if that's the case, then I'll throw these in Chomper because I need to put them in Chomper as well. So we'll just see. But yeah, and then the air filter, I got to take this out, see if this stock one is junked up. If it is, I got the one off of Chomper that's still in pretty good condition, but we'll see. Who knows? This might be brand new, might be super old. Don't know until we check it out. So anyways, I guess let's go ahead and start with the oil change, get that knocked out. Well, already experienced the first negative of the low life. We can't even slide up underneath this thing on the little crawler. Go ahead and pop our cap off. Take this loose. Now we can dive under here, start draining some oil. Oh yeah. Yeah, she was definitely due for an oil change. All right, we got our drain plug all cleaned up. We just want to put a little bit of oil in here. You can if you want, you ain't got to, but I always like pre-oil in the filter. Get the ring all nice and, sorry, that was probably weird. Let's put it in the truck. We're gonna spray this whole thing down with degreaser once it actually cools down. But as for now, let's just go ahead and clean up the surface where the drain bolt and the filter is going to make contact. There we go. There we go. All right, let's go ahead and throw our 5 quarts in there. I somehow managed to not hit record, but I went ahead and added half of this quart, cranked it up, let it run for a little bit, and then checked it, and I think the full quart, so full 6 is going to be perfect. That's what it calls for, but you never really know how much you get out of there, so you kind of play it safe. You don't want to overfill it, so we should be good to go now. Let's go ahead and start changing some spark plugs out. All right, guys, so I checked the filter. It's totally good, but the freaking lid was all kind of janky. This is broken. It wasn't even on there tight. It had to have been leaking. This little bottom piece was broken off the bottom of there. So fortunately, I've got the stock one from Chomper, so I'm just slapping it in there. But our filter itself was fine, but we're swapping the whole air box now, so be good as new. All right, I guess we're just gonna start over here on the driver's side, work our way around. Hopefully y'all can see. I know it's probably a little difficult because it is tight, but we're gonna start with the front. Let's pull our coil off. 16 mil. There we go. So that's what we're working with right there. Carefully get it back in there. Like I said, it is hard to see. Just get it started. 99% of people probably tell you it's perfectly fine, just doing them snug by feel, and you don't have to worry about breaking them or anything goofy. There we go. Throw a wire back on there. 1 of 8 is complete. Driver's side is complete. Thinking our last one's gonna be the most fun. Let's see. Here. Finally. Ow. Holy moly. All right, now equally as fun, let's get this one in there. All right. is finally on there. All right, well, we finally got that 8th one in there. It took longer than all other 7 combined. There they are, looking mighty dingy. I know it's gonna appreciate some fresh plugs in it, but before we go for a drive, I wanna go ahead and degrease the complete underside, get it pressure washed really well. That way it's all clean and we're starting fresh. So let's do that real quick. Trying to get too filthy, go for a cruise. Well, it's definitely not easy under here pressure washing a lower truck, but that's about 110% better than it was. That makes me a lot happier right there. All nice and clean, starting fresh. All right, so after all that, will it crank? Yes, yes it will. All right, guys, well, happy to report she is running good. So successful tune-up on Clifford. A lot more we need to do, but I am happy to get this first round of maintenance done on the truck. I'm sure the truck appreciates it as well. There's probably 1 or 2 of y'all watching this video that probably needs to go do it to your truck. So get out there and get after it. But yeah, hopefully y'all are enjoying the Clifford content. You seem to so far. I'm enjoying working on the truck, aside from finding parts for the sunroof, which apparently is a huge issue. So if you know where to find the arms for the sunroof, please help me, because I'm struggling. It's got to be a 07 back Silverado or Sierra. It cannot be a Tahoe or a Yukon. They are different for some reason, but yeah. So help me out there, please, please, please. Yeah, definitely comment down below. Let me know what you want to see next on Clifford. Got a lot of things planned. Got a lot of things planned for Chomper as well. So now I feel a lot more confident driving this thing. Got a fresh oil change, got everything cleaned up, spark plugs in it. I know the air filter's clean now, so feeling a lot better about the entire truck. I definitely got to do some trimming before I can actually start daily driving this thing, because she rubs. I'll show you all a little rubbage. Oh, well, we know where to trim. So yeah, it's the price of being kind of low with kind of wide. So anyways, I'm gonna quit rambling. Y'all look forward to the next video. Leave a like, subscribe, pick you up a shirt. I'll see y'all in the next one.